The Nike Dunk Low Retro in college gray, team red, and sail white brings together classic style and modern comfort. Its smooth college gray leather upper offers a clean, sophisticated look, while team red suede overlays add a warm, textured contrast that catches the eye. The white swoosh stretches across the sides, keeping the design sharp, and the heel logo sits on a sail-colored background, completing a balanced, stylish look. The outsole mixes team red and sail, giving a retro vibe perfect for streetwear. Inside, a soft mesh lining ensures all-day comfort, and the matching team red laces tie the design together seamlessly. Originally a basketball shoe in the 1980s, the Dunk series quickly became a streetwear icon, and this low retro SE continues that legacy. Its timeless color palette, quality materials, and attention to detail make it a versatile choice for everyday wear or special occasions, adding style, individuality, and elegance to any outfit.